Hello students, this is Mr. Grant. Welcome once again to Health and Wellness. This is the units on the three major body systems, EDU 639, and we're going to discuss an activity for this week in Unit 1. Here is what your student homepage would look like, and as you can see, the Unit 1 activity that I am discussing is the Pulse Check worksheet. It is a formative assessment. So here in the student view, you would click on that activity, and once it opens up, you will see that there is work for you to do at home before getting to school. This activity is called the Heart Smart Pulse Check. Your pulse rate is the calculation of the number of times your heart beats in 1 minute or 60 seconds. When you are resting, your resting pulse rate, also known as your RPS, is slower than when you are exercising at your active pulse rate, also known as your APR. So this is what you need to do. Before class, click the link below to watch the following video, How to Check Your Pulse, and then complete the worksheet below. During class, we will use this information to participate in physical activities where you will be taking your pulse rates to further understand this concept. Have fun and make sure you drink lots of fluids. We'll see you in class. Have a good night.